This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your PSN account is signed in on both the Ps5 and the PlayStation app. This syncs saved captures. Once done, make sure capture sharing is enabled on the console so clips upload. Now open the PlayStation app and tap your profile or the Media tab to access captures. You're initiating the transfer and view pipeline here, so double-check network connectivity. If the app can't reach your console, clips won't appear yet. You'll now locate the specific clips you want. Tap Library or Media, then Captures to list everything uploaded from your Ps5. Once there, use filters like date, game title, or duration to quickly narrow the results. This saves time when you have many files. After filtering, tap a clip to preview it. You can then download to your device, share to social platforms, or save to cloud storage. Make sure previews fully load before attempting downloads to avoid partial files. You're at the finish line. Pick Download to save to your phone or Share to post directly from the app, and confirm video quality and destination settings so the file is usable. If a clip doesn't appear, check the Ps5 capture folder to confirm it uploaded, and make sure the app has refreshed since the upload. Sync issues are common. If problems persist, restart the app, verify capture settings on the console, and reconnect your network. These steps usually resolve missing or corrupted clip issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.